Hi, I'm Alan from GRAF UK. We're down here in Bristol today at Penny Brohn, supplying and installing 6 350 litre Sandbeige water butts, which went perfectly with the decor of the wall. So we were reached out to by Peter, who's one of the volunteers here at Penny Brohn. They have a team of around about 20 something volunteers who come and tend the gardens. He has one of his GRAF water butts at home and thought it'd be a great addition. We could get some water supplied for the garden, obviously with a massive garden that they've got, which is very, very beautiful. It takes a lot of water in the summer to keep it in tip-top shape. We thought with a total of 2,100 litres against the wall here, that would go a long way to helping them keep the gardens in good-looking condition for the summer. GRAF UK loves to support charities like this. We think it's very important to give back to the communities. We also like to put some sustainability in place to help them manage their water and use of, and any time that we can help, we're there to do so.
Hi, I'm Andrew Hufford, Chief Exec of Penny Brohn. So Penny Brohn is located just on the outskirts of Bristol. So we see these therapeutic or healing gardens we have at Penny Brohn is essentially synergistic with the cancer support services that we provide. Because as you know, we all benefit from green open spaces. They make us just feel better. And if you're living with a health crisis, cancer in particular, just to come and spend time in a beautiful open space like this has a profound effect on your healing. We're blessed to be owning such splendid gardens, such therapeutic gardens that people can benefit from in such a kind and gentle way. But of course, you know, those gardens will be encountering all sorts of different weather conditions throughout the year, and therefore water remains essential. So the donation of water butts from GRAF is absolutely essential to that process, enabling us to maintain and sustain and keep an environmentally and conservation site as beautiful and as splendid looking as it does.
My name is Harrison Leonard and I'm the Director of Fundraising and Communications at Penny Brohn UK. Penny Brohn was a charity founded in 1980 by our founder and the namesake of our charity, Penny Brohn, who was a breast cancer patient. She felt that the healthcare that she was receiving was wonderful in treating the disease, but perhaps insufficient in terms of addressing the other parts of her. And so she sought complementary therapies to walk alongside her cancer experience to kind of support her emotionally and spiritually and psychologically. As people receive traditional medical treatment, we're here to help pick you up and support all the other bits of you that go unaddressed. So Penny Brohn is a charity that relies on no government funding. We have no statutory funding to support and sustain us year to year. Many charities like ours are having to adapt and to kind of begin again in terms of the funding models and the approaches that we take. And so we're always looking for creative ways to craft a sustainable funding model to support the vital work that we're doing for people who are living with or beyond cancer. Contributions like these water butts from GRAF are amazing, because every penny, every pound that we don't spend on vital, associated support costs like this are pennies and pounds that we can reallocate to directly supporting the service provision. Anything that we can do to make ourselves more sustainable financially means that we can refocus our efforts on directly supporting people with cancer, and so we're really grateful for the contribution.
So we've had a great day today. We've really enjoyed coming down, meeting everybody in the organisation, seeing how it runs, seeing the people it's helping, seeing the grounds, which are stunning. All in all, a really good day, and we're looking forward to doing lots more of it.